So pwede kang sumama ng captain sa Navy, sa Coast Guard, dun sa ating logistics. Okay?
For over an hour, he quizzes disaster officials, aid workers, and government personnel. Other than the President, Interior Secretary Mar Roxas is the face of the team, handling the biggest humanitarian crisis in Philippine history. But Roxas says there's no ground commander.
For the record po, sino po ba yung ground commander natin dito sa relief operations?
There is no such title dahil ayon sa NDRRMC, it's Sec. Bolts Gasmin, no, ng aming chairman, at ina-assign niya kami sa kung ano ang aming dapat na gawin.
Pero sir, sino po yung who's calling the shots here in this center, sir? Sino yung
Wala, you can see the process that is being undertaken, and it is a consultative process.
Social Welfare Secretary Dinky Soliman says it's a team effort.
Lahat kami, buong pamahalaan, pambansa at lokal, kumikilos as one. But more than that, at yun ang gusto kong paalam sa lahat, it's also whole of society. Lahat ng private sector, lahat ng volunteers dito sa Tacloban, nagre-repack sila. This is whole of society responding to a crisis. Nagkaisa ang bansa, yun ang ating mensahe. Kaya palagay ko, yun ang mas positibong dapat ilabas natin.
Like the President, she says their boss is the people. In the command center, aid workers say the setup is frustrating. One of them says they have too many bosses, but no decision maker. Roxas defends the current setup. He also says intrigue is useless after disaster. He denies talk. He asked Tacloban Mayor Alfred Romualdez to leave the mayor's office. In a statement, Roxas says he is fuming mad.
Sa inyo na naandito, kung naghahanap kayo ng kahit anong hudyat na mukhang bumabalik na sa normal, siguro isang hudyat ito. Siguro nagno-normal na nga kasi may puwang na, may lugar na sa intriga at saka pamumulitika.
But this brings us back to the question, who is calling the shots? Paterno S. Makel, Rappler, Tacloban City.